Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our newly arrived 2022 Mastercraft X22. Obviously, this boat is a 22-foot Mastercraft. It has the 430 horsepower, 6.2 liter Ilmore engine in it. We went with the blue hull, blue decking, and then we have the silver metal flake with the black Mastercraft logo on the side. This has the new Z8 tower. We did all black with the black racks and the black speakers, and then we have the nice blue inlet insets in there to also match the blue on the newly upgraded BTS windshield. Matching blue Mastercraft trailer. I'm going to take you up on into the boat here. Start on the back here before I get in. Right on the back, we have the rear transom remote along with the notorious X Series reclining seats. Stepping on through the boat, we have the gray Decadence flooring in this. We got the reverse rear flip couch seat. Stepping on down in here, you got the nice long bench seats into the rear flips, into the flip seat here for all storage underneath, path through. This side over here, we have the built-in cooler, the reverse seat that flips up for a backrest here. Went with the dual screens. We have for 2022, you have the new SurfStar system, which gives you the integrated 1 through 7 choice for your surf wave. Phone charger, built-in trash can. We got the billet closed through the walk-through door. Open up the windshield here. Take you on up in here. We got the fold-down armrests. We got the fill-in bow filler here. Because this does have the advanced audio, you have the two big clish speakers up front here and the nice big bow. Coming back through here, because we have the advanced audio, you got the in-dash speaker on both sides, dual subwoofers, of course your 6 cockpit speakers, and then we went with the two 8.0 clish speakers on the tower. This boat has 3,500 pounds of ballast on a 5,500 pound boat with a huge surf wave, great riding boat, great for wakeboarding, wake surfing, holds 16 people. Come on out to MarineMax here at Greenville and check this boat out, or check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005 and come and check out this beautiful newly arrived 2022 X22. We have lots of Mastercrafts in inventory here at our MarineMax store, probably some of the best inventory in the country, so come on out and see us. Thank you.